Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, a few days ago, I ordered a Fidget toy pack, and it's finally here. It's Saturday. Yay, woohoo, perfect. Yeah, I already opened it a bit, so you guys wouldn't see my address, but make sure you subscribe, like, turn on those post notifications. Let's do it with your thumb. I think a thumb would be good. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so I see amazing things in here. So let's just get started. So first, we're going to start off with this, and it's, oh my gosh. Look at that, it's Rubik's. That's the orange side, if you're wondering. That's not red. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Whoa, and it's like a yellow there, but it looks like a lime green. Wow, that's just lighter than my other one. This is cool. The blue side, the white side, the green side, the red side, the orange side. So this is a good fidget so far. And by the way, I got this idea from Ink, or INCASMR. I don't know how to pronounce it because it can be pronounced so many ways. But you were the one who got me into the fidget toy set. So yeah, I finally got it. So here's the first one I opened, if you guys saw. The second ones are these monkey noodles. So they're called monkey noodles, and they're called, I guess I have 4. I don't know. But yeah. And I've been seeing these around so many TikTok videos and stuff. So first we got a pink one. So you can just fidget around with these. You can tie it and just do stuff. Just stretch them. We got a blue one, a green one, a purple one, and an orange one. So yeah, these are good. So if you just feel like you want to stretch something, this is a very good fidget. Okay. And these are exactly what they did on the page. So yeah, you can squeeze them too. Okay. So the next thing I have are, I think this is a marble mesh or something. And you just move the marble up and down. So see, this one's a blue one. I think the theme here is blue, green, and pink because I've been seeing a lot of blue, green, and pink. But yeah, this is a good fidget too because it's entertaining or something. I don't know. It's just so satisfying. There you go. The marble's right here, if you guys are wondering. And yes, I did paint my nails yellow. So yeah. I got the green one, the green marble. Then we got the pink one. This pink one looks good in camera. It looks very neon pink. Okay. Let's get on to the next one. So here's the next one. Whoa. Whoa. This is actually squishy, and it's a basketball squishy. So yeah, this looks cool, honestly. I like the gloss to it. It looks very pretty. And this basketball, you can bounce it, stretch it, not stretch it, squeeze it. Okay, next one. All right, so the next ones are in here. Yeah, it looks like a lot. We got the stretch balls and the spiky balls. Let's open it up. All right, so we got this orange stress ball. I actually really wanted one. I have never had these in my life. So yeah, I really wanted them before, but wow. And there's like a net around it. And they're shapes in like, some look like hexagons. I don't know. Just squish it. This is a very good like stress reliever. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So we got this blue one. Same thing. Just squeezing it. And the green one, same thing. Whoa, that looks cool on camera. It looks like it looks like popping boba. It was still in. Here, look. Those are cute. Alright. So next we have spicy balls. And I've seen these around TikTok too. Well, like, yeah, what I've seen. They're probably the old ones or something. I don't know. But you can just, it's just cool. So we got a blue one. Pretty blue. It's like a ocean water blue. This yellow lime one. Pink one. Looks like orange on camera. Purple one. And orange one. So yeah, these are rolling away from me. Nice. Alright, let's move on to the next one. I just found another monkey noodle. It's like a lime one too. So if you're just wondering. Okay, so next one. I'm gonna do this one. This one is like a pea pop or something. This one I wouldn't say is that fidgety. The middle one is, but like, do they have faces? They have faces! But I guess this is good. It has like a little keychain thing. This, which is good. Just boop, boop, boop. Sorry, I had to do something. There you go. So yeah, I'll say this one's good. Yeah, okay, I'll take it. Okay. So then, next we got these bicycle chains. So let's just open them up. I'm very excited about this. Oh, so it's like you keep on twisting. Wait, this is weird. Oh, you gotta like, wait, what? This is weird, okay. I don't know how to use this. This is just a weird fidget, okay. This is weird. I don't know how it's called a bicycle chain. Oh, you just keep on flipping. Oh, that is cool. It keeps on going and going. I was like, how do people do this fidget? Yeah. And then we got this one, which looks like way easier. This one's way easier. Well, probably it's way easier because I already know how to work it. But yeah. Okay, next one is this one. So I always wanted one of these, just to let you know. So, like, connect them or something. I do not know. Okay, so then just wanna. Whoa! So it's like a snake. Like, can you make a heart or something? I don't know what to do. Maybe I should make a square or a rectangle because you can only make a rectangle here. I don't know. But like, this looks like the coolest thing ever. I feel like this has been my favorite fidget. You can just twist it around. So you just twist it. It's like kind of like a bicycle. And then it's knotted. No, it's not. That's so satisfying. Okay, look. My mom's cooking, by the way, if you hear frying popping noises. Okay, I'm gonna try to, honestly, I do not know how to do this. How do you connect this? I don't know, I guess you can, oh, it's connected. A heart, but yeah, next fidget. Okay, this I'm excited for. That is cool. Look at that. Look at that. I don't get how it doesn't separate from the colors. Maybe he has overlapped plastic. This is like a plastic, so yeah. I'm gonna shake it. Wow. That's just cool. Okay guys, so I am currently in my bedroom. And I'm just going to play with the fidgets because I'm not a boring person. Let's just get started. BTW, aka by the way. I'm at LED lights. So, it's rainbow. That looks cool. We should stick to this. We should stick to this. Okay. Let's just play with fidgets. So, I'm going to do eeny, meeny, miny, mo by a ball. Look at my socks, by the way. Here, wait. What's this color? Blue. Whoa. That one. Yeah, it was this one. So either this one, monkey noodles, this one, spiky ball, or peanut butter. Okay, ready? Sorry if you can't see them. It's just because they're on my pillow. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch it. Whoa. That was a lot. Oh. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. Okay, I'm just gonna pick. I wanna pick this one first. Because it's already at 12. Satisfying. Ah! Sorry if you hear the blender. It's my mom cooking. My name is Ava. Okay. Whoa. Next, we're going to play with monkey noodles because I love me some monkey noodles. Monkeys are cute and they're very smart, in my opinion. Okay. Let's play with some marble mesh. Marble mash or marble mesh? I don't know. And then I'll play with this, I guess. It's not that good. I guess whenever you're on a car trip, like, oh baby. It's dark green, if you're wondering. Okay. Let's play with this. Whoa, this is cool. I really love this. I'm gonna play with it tonight while I'm watching my tablet and playing Roblox. Because sometimes whenever I do obbies, I get very upset with them. And I'm like, I just want to... How the heck do you put this in? Ah! I did it! Okay. Sorry. Mom, I'm okay. Okay. So, got glasses. I saw this on something. Whoa, this is cool. Spiky ball, spiky ball, spiky ball, spiky ball. Look, now I see it, now I see it. Pink on this side, blue on this side. And I just want to say real quick before I leave, this is my squishy. It's very squishy. What the heck? Oh, it was just because I put it up to the camera closer. Okay. Well, I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.